The next safety tips when you are surfing the internet are as follows. Question: I should never respond to email message from people or organization I'm not familiar with. Is the statement true or false? Obviously, the answer will be true. I should never respond to email messages from people or organization I'm not familiar with. The reason is the email may be a scam to sell you something. If you respond, you are confirming a valid email address. That means they will send a mail on my email ID. I have one iPhone 11 Pro. When I click on that particular mail, they will get my email address. You can encourage the sender to forward inappropriate mails or add you to other lists. If I just click on that particular link, they will have my mail, and like this, they will just give my email ID to various other persons, and various other persons also can send me some mails called as spam mails. So if we are not aware about that particular person, it is better we should not respond to such kind of emails. Question number 7. Photos can be downloaded from internet when they are from a cyber friend, it is in your email, or your parents give you permission to do so. Think about it and answer yes. Maximum of you have given the correct or have thought about the correct answer. It will be option C. That means if your parents give you the consent to download the images from the net, you can download it. Question number 8. If someone sends me an inappropriate message or material, I should immediately not reply to it and save it, tell my parents, contact my service provider, or all of the above. The answer to this particular part is all of the above. Not reply to it, tell my parents about it, save, contact my service provider, that means I'm getting this kind of email, please see to it. And yes, we have to see all of this above points so that we can take utter care of our information, whether it is leaked out to certain other person or not. Question number 9. If someone I met online wants to meet me in person, I should never consider doing so before talking to my parents about it. Tell my best friend and take her or him with me. Keep it a secret. Obviously, all of you have thought about the first answer, that is A. Never consider doing so before talking to your parents. If somebody is just inviting you to meet him at a particular location, it's better you just tell all those things to your parents, and whatever the parents' decision are, you just obey the decisions of the parents. First of all, according to my side, you shouldn't be visiting a person whom you are not aware or you know only online about that particular person. Question number 10. Who developed the internet? Yes, it is answer B. The US government has developed the internet. Any information you get on the information is trustworthy. Is it true or is it false? According to me, it is false, because whatever information we get on the net, we cannot say that particular information is trustworthy or it is true. All the information that are present on the internet might be true or might not be true. It is 50-50% chances. That means whatever information we are getting from the social networking sites or from the friends list, there are chances that the information might not be trustworthy. So yes, whenever we are using internet, care has to be taken. That means which information we assume to be true, which information it is up to us not to consider that particular information and just leave the information.